welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. It's now exactly 10:30 p.m. Asmara time, and we're ready for domestic and international news for July 21st, 2025. Do stay tuned, and let's begin with the major headlines. Students' summer work program in the Central region. Nakfa subzone declares free of female genital mutilation. Israeli forces kill 92 aid seekers in Gaza. And at least 70 terrorists killed in military operations in Mali. In today's domestic report, coordinators of the students' summer work program in the Central region reported that the 8,600 participants of the program, including 40% female students, are conducting commendable water and soil conservation activities. Mr. Efrem Takhlu, head of the students' summer work program for development, indicated that since the program began on July 7th, approximately 14,000 terraces have been constructed, around 36,000 holes have been prepared for planting tree seedlings, and over 15,000 trees have been cultivated. He also stated that 95% of the program participants are engaged in water and soil conservation activities, while the remaining 5% are involved in traffic safety, documentation, and other activities. The students' summer work program will continue until August 16th. As a result of the rigorous awareness campaign to eradicate harmful practices, Nakfa subzone has officially declared it's free from female genital mutilation. At the declaration event, Mr. Yaqub Idris, administrator of the subzone, stated that the achievement is the result of the active and conscious participation of the public, government institutions, and national associations. He emphasized that maintaining this status is a shared responsibility. Religious leaders, noting that female genital mutilation has no connection to religious teachings, commended the initiative and called for integrated efforts and participation to ensure its sustainability. Mr. Rezan Fissaha, chairman of the Committee for the Rights of Children and Women, said that the declaration in the Nakfa subzone reflects the coordinated efforts conducted at the regional level and called for continued active involvement by all. The event featured cultural and artistic performances to mark the occasion. In another news, the National Association of Eritrean War-Disabled Veterans in the Ansaba region has distributed over 300 million Nakfa in loans to its members. Mr. Shimuel Wolde-Georgis, chairman of the association's regional branch, said the initiative aims to empower disabled veterans by enabling them to engage in income-generating activities and become productive members of the society. He also encouraged other members to take advantage of the opportunity. The beneficiary veterans, expressing gratitude for the support, affirmed their readiness to work hard and improve their livelihoods. We are live on ERi-TV with English News Broadcast. The viewers, do stay tuned for the international ones after a short break. Welcome back. Israeli forces have killed at least 115 Palestinians across Gaza, including 92 people trying to get food in the northern southern aid points. The killings on Sunday came as Israel's continued siege in Gaza worsened the hunger crisis, with health authorities there announcing at least 19 deaths from starvation over the past day. Israel's military acknowledged the attack, saying it had fired warning shots to remove an immediate threat posed to troops in the northern part of Gaza. It did not, however, provide evidence or details of the alleged threats. The UN's World Food Programme issued a statement that disputed the Israeli account, saying the victims were simply people trying to access food to feed themselves and their families on the brink of starvation. Gaza's hunger crisis has reached new levels of desperation. Malnutrition is surging, with 90,000 women and children in urgent need of treatment. Nearly 1 person in 3 is not eating for days, the World Food Programme warned. Gaza's Ministry of Health reiterated that warning, saying that at least 19 Palestinians died of hunger on Sunday and hundreds more suffering from malnutrition could die soon. The ministry added that at least 71 children have died of malnutrition since the war began in 2023, while 60,000 others show signs of severe undernourishment. In today's final report, the Malian army announced yesterday that at least 70 terrorists were killed during operations earlier this week in northern and central Mali. According to a statement from the army, the first operation took place on July 15th in coordination with aid forces from the Alliance of Sahel States, resulting in the elimination of around 40 terrorists in the northern area of the country. A second operation conducted 2 days later led to the destruction of terrorist logistics and training base in the Niono area in central Mali and the deaths of about 30 terrorists, the statement added. Mali has been facing a multifaceted crisis since 2012, marked by separatist rebellions, jihadist incursions and intercommunal violence that have claimed thousands of lives and displaced hundreds of thousands. Mali's military operations against terrorists in alliance with neighboring Burkina Faso and Niger is said to yield positive outcomes. The three countries have deployed an army of over 5,000 in the fight against terrorists, not to leave that mentioning that they have previously ordered the military pullout of France from their respective lands. With this, we conclude our news for this session. Dear viewers, let's have a quick recap of the major headlines. Students' summer work program in the Central region. Nakfa subzone declares free of female genital mutilation. Israeli forces kill 92 aid seekers in Gaza. And at least 70 terrorists killed in military operations in Mali. This was World on Monday with ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Viewers, thank you for joining. It's officially a goodbye from us.